Okay, class, settle down. Okay, class, settle down. All right, everyone, settle down. The day is already upon us.
Yeah, man.
Gather yourselves, guys. Today we'll be working on it. We'll be doing something really kind of fun today. I know you always, I know we all just started doing drawing. I know this is the first drawing class. Drawing 101. Some people are good drawers. They claim they're good drawers. Some say they're not. Some people say they've never drawn. Even though I doubt that, because I know that everyone here has taken some kind of science class or something and has drawn, at least has drawn the shape of a heart, and written love letter, all that stuff. But I'm not judging, just saying.
Now we can't draw.
So today we'll be doing this activity called holy drawing.
What would make sense to me?
When I say holy, I don't mean like the holy church. I mean like whole milk, like the whole of it, all the whole milk, not no low-fat milk, not no 1% whole milk. The wholeness of it all. Understood? Almost kind of like complete the whole of it all.
Yeah.
So today this activity is called holy drawing.